Welcome to my channel, Kingman Cars. We have been working on this Porsche Taycan, and just to update you what we've done so far. You can see we've got all the suspensions out, and we're trying to drop down the subframe, the front subframe. Over here we got this suspension out. You can see it's hanging. The wishbone is out now. I mean, from that end to what's there and coming all the way to the ball joint, it's all off now. You can see it's hanging. Now, one thing I've done here is to support the top end of the suspension to the frame so that it can carry the weight of the hub, because it's quite heavy. This one, I mean, it's a 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, sorry, piston for the brake caliper, and the weight is really heavy. So what I've done, I've supported it up there with kind of seat belts to have the weight hang over there. Now the air suspension is also off. You can see there. So that's hanging, and now we're ready to get off the subframe. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you what the wishbone looks like. So far, that's the wishbone. That's the wishbone there. So the wishbone is down there, and it's damaged on one end. You can see it's kind of mangled on one end. It's not looking good. So now back to the subframe. We've released the supports, the motor drive support bolts, which are down here. That's the motor drive support bolts. And if you move on to the other side, you'll see the same on this side. We've got that bolt off, the drive motor support bolt off, and literally the drive motor now is actually hanging up on air. So we've kind of supported it with that center kind of pole. I've just supported it there, ready to drop down the subframe. So we got this side, the bolts, the main bolts, and another main bolt on the other side, main bolt on this side, main bolt on the other side, ready to drop down the subframe. Yeah, so let's have a look under what it looks like. This side as well, by the way, the subframe is off, but we've just got that off, that one there, and the bolt for the wishbone on that side there, it's off. So ideally, this suspension and the air suspension are intact. I don't want to touch that. And so I'm just gonna drop this subframe down once I open the main bolt here and the main bolt on this side here. Yeah, one other thing is, in order to get this out, you need to get enough clearance between the subframe and the wishbone, just to here. And for you to get that, you got to open the drive shaft. That drive shaft there, it's got to be released from this end. So you open up the bolt on this end, pull it aside so that you got enough clearance here to be able to drop down the subframe easily. And once the subframe is down, then you can push that back in. Done the same on the other side. On the other side here. Done the other side here the same. So you can see the drive shaft is pushed in. sorry, pushed out, yeah, pushed in so that the hub is pushed out, so it can get enough clearance to kind of get the wishbone out. Right, let's have a look at what's under the support frame. So if you look keenly, you'll see that I've got that there, that like a support frame to support the weight of the drive motor. So ideally the drive motor now is just hanging. I've kind of suspended it on the center bolts. You can see the center there. This is just touched to the center of the drive motor to protect and hang it up so that we drop down the subframe. So yeah, so that's how it looks. So let's go down and see whether we can get the subframe down.